Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very exciting thing. Today we are going to be opening up the fall Pusheen box. Yay! Look at this box. It's so freaking cute. She's sleeping, and then there's her little her little toesies, and then her tail in the back, and her stripes. So this fall box is nighttime star galaxy themed. So let's get into it. I just love their packaging. It's always so cute. Look at the solar system. Oh, so cute. No one ever look at it's all blue, just like my lipstick. It matches perfectly. First, it comes with this little card, and it just tells you what's on the back, but I'm not gonna look at it because I want to be surprised with you. Okay, let's. What do I pick first? Okay, first thing is the silicone. The figurine. First. Oh my goodness, it's Pusheen on a moon too. Vinyl toy. Let's open her because you can't really see her through the shiny package. Moon Pusheen. What do you think, Bushy? Oh my goodness. Ah! And as you just saw, that I thought I broke it, but at least mine does, comes off the stand. So cute. Oh my goodness, that's cute. Okay, next, let's pick up whatever this is. I saw what it said. Oh, it's Out of This World. That's the theme. I couldn't think of what it's called. It's Pillowcases, and not any kind of pillowcase. Silk. Oh, what's the front? Oh my gosh, so cute. Whoops. Oh, there's two of them. It has Pusheen with stars, and it says Out of This World on it. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I use silk pillows because of my crazy hair. Yay, love it. Next is, let's do the other soft thing. What is this? Ooh, it's clothing. Cosmic hoodie with Pusheen on a moon for the O. And it's like a soft velvety material. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love when there's clothing in the boxes. That's my favorite thing to get. That is so freaking cute. I love it. Yes, so far so good. Okay, next. It's a sleep mask. I want to know if obviously people use them, but like, does it help you sleep? I've never used one before. This is what it looks like. Stellar. Let's put it in my hair like a, oh yes. I should put my hoodie on real quick. Looks like I'm ready for a slumber party. A Pusheen slumber party. Okay, next. And it's a little alarm clock. Let's open her up. I love that everything's blue. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's all the zodiac signs. I wonder if there's batteries in it. Probably not. No batteries. This is how you set the clock, set the alarm, turn the alarm on and off. That is so cute. Oh, there I am. Sagittarius, if anybody cares. Okay, what is... Next, we have a star projector lamp. Man, this box is good. This is a good one. Looks like this. Needs batteries also. Okay, I don't know how well these batteries are gonna work because 2 of them were on the verge of dying. On the top it says Stardust with Pusheen. And then it has a bunch of Pusheens all over it. Some on stars. Some on moons and some just floating. And then solar systems. Okay. Oh! Oh, flashes. That was the LED. This one's a star. Let's turn the light off. Wrong switch. Oh, I have too many lights on. Okay, I shut most of the lights off. This one's LED. Why is it flashing? Is it supposed to flash? Okay. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, you can on my face. It like projects. Look at stars. That's so cute. Love that. Okay, let's turn the lights back on. Okay, so it takes one double A. As you just heard, the alarm works. And here's twisting it. And this is how you set the alarm. Twisting it also. Nice. I probably won't use it as an alarm, but just as a clock because I just use my phone as alarm. Oh, you can hear it clicking or ticking. Okay, next. Another box. It's a Trinket Jar. Okay, I know this is like supposed to be like galaxy and stuff, but all these colors really remind me of Ravenclaw from Harry Potter. My sister is Ravenclaw. I'm Gryffindor. So let's open this. Oh, this is so cute. So it's plastic. Little cuppy thingy. And then the yellow lid. That is so cute. And then there's a Pusheen on both sides and a little starburst. That is so cute. Like if you could put obviously anything, but cotton balls or something in your bathroom. That's cute. I love it. Okay, next we have coasters. Man, this is a good box. I love everything. So they're little cork. Oh, they're different. This one says out of this world. The back is cork. Well, the whole thing's cork, but it has like a thing on it. Protectant thing or whatever. This one is Pusheen on the Moon. Stardust. And Stellar. That is so freaking cute. Love it. And the last item is hanging wall art. Ooh, that's pretty. That's what it's supposed to look like. So here's one star. And then do the whole thing. And I'll do the rest of this later. So that was everything. In the fall box. I love every single thing. There's not one thing that was in this box that I don't like. And that, the only thing I don't know if I'll use this, but it's super cute. And a lot of people use eye masks. I love it so much. I love it, love it, love it. So if you like Pusheen, I would recommend, ooh, my battery's dying. Try out the Pusheen boxes if you want a fun surprise thing. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Soon it's gonna be Christmas videos coming soon. Probably like right after Thanksgiving, so stay tuned for that. Bye.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean